Welcome to a Radio Antics tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to set a password on your hotspot on the Brandmeister network. The first thing you want to do is navigate to brandmeister.network. Then, if you don't have an account, click register. Type in your call sign, email address, choose personal user account, choose a password, confirm your password, enter 70 and type in your DMR ID. Tick I'm not a robot and click register. You'll get an email in a few days time when your account has been approved. Next you want to log in. Log into your account to Brandmeister Self-Care. Next you want to go over to your user, so click your username and hit Self-Care. Over here you'll see Hotspot Security. Mine is already on, but if you don't have it on, you'll see it's off. Click the on button and type in a password. Then click Save. Once you've saved this, go over to your PiStar hotspot. Once in there, go to the configuration page. Once you're here, you want to scroll down to DMR configuration. Type in the hotspot security password you just entered. Click Apply Changes. Now you'll be able to access Brandmeister network and you'll have a hotspot security password. Hotspot security password is useful so that people can't steal your DMR ID or call sign so easily. 7.3, I hope this helped.